Why I hate these levels, Joel?
I actually think they're kind of fun. And they're hard, but they're kind of fun.
Freaking impossible! They're impossible unless you dodge everything. Get hit once, well, you're screwed.
Crash, why are you using a motorcycle anyway that they don't want gigantic vehicles?
The same reason why in the highway levels of Mario Kart, every single car is 10 times the size of you. I go over the pit, you plummet.
It's just not fair.
At least we're getting a ton of lives from all the Wumpa fruit. Because you don't lose a life, unlike Mario games when you lose a race.
Something I'm wondering, if you hit a boost battle and then release X for like a split second, does that cancel the boost?
I don't know. What? Yes. Come on. I'm probably gonna lose this too. Unless I can get a quick win right here.
Boost battle! Hit the boost battle!
Come on, come on.
Release X.
Dang it!
You probably should
No!
make that turn.
Come on. There's only one guy!
Channel the power of...
No! And I've
Channel
lost.
your inner Captain Falcon.
And we've lost.
No, channel your inner Captain.
Yep.
No. Well,
Hey, I got to
slowly
third.
Getting better.
I got to third at least. Can Joel tie this game up? Or will he die again and again? Let's find out. You know, I did just notice that there's no Coco levels in this.
I said that like 10 minutes ago.
I forgot!
Okay, not actually, I was...
Probably about 20. Probably about 20 at this point.
How many episodes was it?
I think about 3 now.
So he's like half an hour ago.
Yeah. Oh, it's 3:17 now. We still have 2 hours to finish this game.
Falling off the back.
We have 2 hours to finish this game if we don't get stuck on this level for the rest of eternity.
Well, I noticed there's a distinct lack of I love this game during this level.
Yeah, this is the worst part of the game. I do love this game, it's just that this is the worst part. And again, it's on the cover!
Sorry, Meadow.
And again,
This
is on the cover. This is on the freaking cover, and it's the worst part of the game. The Crash racing games are a lot better than this. They have actual driving physics. How are you already to third?
Because I'm pro.
No, you aren't. No, you freaking
No,
aren't.
no, slow down!
Pro.
Okay, you can steer better if you let go of X.
Remember, everybody, he's a pro.
Steer a little better.
Remember, everybody, he's a pro. And you got shoved off the road again. Third place
This is
really
why I play
doesn't
heavy
like.
karts in Mario Kart. So
As I said, these
these
guys are just channeling what I do with Bowser every time I play as him.
Turn, Crash!
He can't freaking turn in this.
No!
Come on, come on,
You're on
respawn,
everything.
respawn, go, go, go!
Everybody! Thanks for coming up right
Go,
behind me.
go, go!
Yes! Yes! See, I am a Carol Main!
8 out of 8. 8 to 8. Joel has tied us up in points for levels completed.
No happy days.
Doubleheader.
Well, you've crashed a few parties before, but I
Get
never
it?
expected you to make it this far. If you don't turn back, I will inflict 1,000 years of suffering on you and the entire universe!
Why don't you
Okay.
just do that then?
Okay. I won't.
Kill the fat man.
The two-headed fat man.
Or, you know, just get back to them.
I forgot that you have to jump on them.
Oh.
Froggy! Die, Froggy! Big will never find you! Yeah, it's not a good idea to go after them, but guess what? They're mandatory. How did I get hit by that? He got me with his butt! It's better to just dodge them. If you can. Just avoid them. Oh, you can just jump. Okay. Froggy! Kill Froggy!
Slippy must die. No mercy!
I hate Slippy. I don't know who I hate more, Slippy or Froggy.
How about Tricky?
Tricky's not a frog.
But do you hate him more than Slippy?
That's a hard question. Let me get back to you on that. Not worth it, Joel! It's not worth it.
It's still there. Oh,
You don't get the life.
it was still worth it.
Yeah, I guess for a box count. Oh!
Come on, that's easy.
No, I forgot. I thought that was one where there was two pits on both sides. No, that just one pit. Oh my god, I just got the pun of this level. I just got the pun now. Double header. The enemy has two heads. How did I not notice this? You killed Merlin.
There can only be one great wizard.
Who is it?
Stars World of Bearder, of course.
What about Gandalf?
He's a spectacular wizard. He's not a great wizard, he's a spectacular wizard. Bonus time! And then Saruman is an evil wizard.
Okay, stop. See you guys next time. Take care.